Hello everyone, welcome back to the Practically Blind workshop. So I've been doing some work in the garden and I've managed to snap my spade, and so I need to do a quick repair. And what I've got is, a few years ago I cut down an ash tree in my garden and I kept some of the wood because I know that ash is quite good for tool handles, and I kept some straight bits, and this is one of them. It's well seasoned, it's been in my shed 2 or 3 years, and I'm going to try and use that. What I'm going to do first is remove these pins and see what we've got. So now what I'm going to do is, I've got this piece of metal pipe and I'm going to push the old handle out, or knock it out. So off camera I've just removed the handle, I just snapped it off, and so I'm going to continue knocking the rest of the handle out. Right, so now that I've removed the old shaft, I need to shape this end to fit inside the spade head. You're just going to need a slight chamfer, and then after that I'll cut it to the length I want it and get it to fit in the handle piece. I'm going to just shape this on the belt sander. So after a few minutes at the belt sander, I've got this fitting quite nicely now. It's almost at the end of the tube. A couple little taps and that'll be in there nicely. Now what I've got to do is cut the final length. So the socket in the handle is about 2.5 inches deep. So I'm just going to mark the length of the spade. So I've just quickly cut that at the chop saw, and I'm just going to get it in. Right, so I'm going to have to cut a kind of tenon on the end there to fit the handle on. So I've shaped that down so it fits the handle, and what I've also done is I've just put a groove in the top, because there's a little plastic fillet. I don't know if I've got that on camera. There's like a little plastic fillet inside. So that will fit over that. So now I can just put it all back together. And to make sure the handle's lined up with the head, I'm just going to lay it flat like that. So now I'm just going to put some screws in these holes, give it all a good clean up, and then it's done. And there we have it, a quick repair using a piece of ash, just so I don't have to run out and buy a spade straight away. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. It's totally free and it really helps my channel out. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.